So first you're going to go to irs.gov. You're going to click apply for employee ID number. Scroll down and hit apply online now. You could bypass this pop-up. All right. And then you're going to begin the application. Now you're going to select what applies to your business. I'm going to choose LLC. This is more information about LLCs. You're going to press continue. How many members are in your LLC? I only have one, which is myself, and the state that my business is located in. Continue. More information regarding your LLC. Continue. Choose why you want a EIN number. My reason is started a new business. Continue. You're going to enter your personal information. I chose the option at the bottom that I am one of the members of the LLC. Enter the name of your LLC. Enter the state and the LLC start date. Now you're going to select everything that applies to your business. I selected no for all of these. Now you're going to select what does your business do. I don't see my category, so I'm going to select other. I'm a hairstylist, so I'm going to select service. I'm going to enter the primary service that I provide, which is beauty services. Click continue and the process is complete. If you choose to receive your letter online, you will receive your EIN number immediately. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching my channel and don't forget to like and subscribe. I wish you the best in your business. We can get away, palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna